Hello guys, I thought I would put the video on. Excuse all the noises in the background, it's, you know, that time of the evening. I am just making a meal that I haven't made in quite a while, and I sort of make it up as I go along, and I've named it mountain beans. And we only have it, say, once a year, maybe once every 6 months. We actually haven't had it in over a year, but it's delicious. We're having it tonight because I have a child who doesn't like beans, and that child is currently on school camp, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to have these mountain beans. And so in here I have onion. I won't tell you quantities, I have a large family. Put in as much or as little as all of this as you like. It really doesn't matter. It's one of those throw together meals. So I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I've got onions, I've used brown onion. I've got about half a pound of bacon diced, and I've also got some red capsicum or bell pepper in there. And I've fried that up good and proper, and now I'm going to add, what you would also add with the onion is some minced beef, but I already had some in the freezer that I've just defrosted in the microwave, so that's already cooked, so I'm adding it at this point. Excuse the messiness of this video. It's just, the point is just to get this recipe up for you, because, you know, I might not get around to making it for another year. So we only have this recipe once in a blue moon because it's actually got quite a bit of sugar in it, so it's a definite sort of the equivalent of having junk food in some ways. That's why it's called mountain beans, because it's for lumberjacks. Alright, once all of that is cooked up, add beans. I'm adding 2 tins of kidney beans, and I'm also adding a tin of corn for the fun of it, but usually I don't add that. And then we want some more beans. I'm actually just going to add 2 cans of baked beans, one of which is like ham flavoured. And then we'll get on to some saucy things. Got a little spoon. Get that in there. And the other one. Beans, glorious beans. Okay. Mixing all around. Sorry, squeaky. Horrible noise. Alright. Mixing all around, and then I'm going to add some other things. Alright, let's get the really bad thing over and done with. Now, similar recipes that I've seen on the net have more sugar than this. I've limited the amount of sugar, believe it or not. Because I'm going to put about half a cup of brown sugar in. Which is gross, isn't it? But these are so yum. These are a definite treat. Alright. We've done it. Let's mix it in and forget that I did that, okay? We'll feel better once we can't see it. Alright. And that's not all, guys. We're also adding tomato sauce or ketchup, wherever you may be from, and shh, that's enough. I'm recording. Off you go. And barbecue sauce. So, which both have extra sugar in them as well. All right. I don't know what sort of games they're playing in the background there. Miss 4 is chasing around Miss 2. Okay, massive squirt of barbecue sauce and a massive squirt of tomato sauce. see if I'm happy with that. We want it to be really saucy, sweet and saucy. Just like our lovely selves. Alright, now we're going to add some spice. Sugar and spice and all things nice. Alright. I'm just going to chuck in some mustard powder. That's a hell of a lot of mustard powder. Whoopsie daisy, that'll be yum. Better be. Alright. And then also, I'm going to grind in some pepper. There we go. And some chili. Well, let's go the big thing, but I am feeding children, so let's be careful about that. Alright, mixing all around. Mixing and mixing and mixing. Now, the flavours will not have blended really well by now, but I'm just going to give it a quick little taste. Well, hopefully that chili settles down. Otherwise, I might have some whinges. Okay, so I'm going to now pop this in a casserole dish and chuck it in the oven just on a medium heat for those flavours to really come together, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I've just taken it out of the oven. I had it in for about an hour. It really doesn't matter how long you put it in for, as long as you don't cook it for 6 hours. Alright, so I will show you what it looks like in a bowl. Now I want to get a bit that you can see. It is really, really rich. Ooh, sorry about that. Oh, I just spilt some on me. So that is what it looks like. Yeah, just really saucy meat and beans. Anthony, can you come here for a sec? Pardon? I'll get Anthony to try it. It's going to be really hot though, just a sec. Will you try this?
Yep.
It's really, really hot. I'm just going to get this off the tripod. I think I've got this zoomed in. Oh, that's alright. Zoomed in is fine. How is it?
Rich and delicious.
Oh, I didn't get your thumb because it's zoomed in so much.
Yeah,
there we go. How is it?
Rich and delicious.
I still didn't get your thumb. So there you go, guys. It's a little bit naughty, but very nice. See you later.